If you're in the market for masking tape, chances are you're not looking for a roll that's 48 inches wide. Now, if you want to cut that into smaller rolls, let's talk about roll slitting machines. In this video, we're going to go over what roll slitting is, how you can find a machine, and if working with a converter is a better fit for you. Roll slitting is the process of taking those wider rolls and slitting it down into the individual rolls that you need. Slitting can be done on many different kinds of materials, but the common materials that we see slit are single-sided liners, foams, tapes, extensible materials from very thin to over 10 mils thick, PET, UPVC, and HIPS materials. So the two different types of slitting machines are a log slitting and rewind slitting. A log slitting machine, the material stays in log form and is slit to whatever width you need to. Rewind slitting actually unwinds the material, slits it into the narrower rolls, and then winds it back up. When it comes to choosing your slitting machine, the biggest factor in your decision will be the material you're slitting. For example, materials like foam can be more challenging for rewind slitting. Converters will also use die cutting machines for rewind slitting, which allows for a complete inline process, but this will require experienced engineering to achieve in a timely manner. The cost of roll slitting depends on various factors, including roll width, tolerances, and the choice of material. It's a customizable process, and the pricing can change significantly based on whether you're purchasing a machine or hiring a converter. Purchasing a roll slitting machine involves a high upfront cost, often 6 figures or more, along with additional expenses including training and trial and error runs. But it does allow for independent operations to produce your own rolls. While outsourcing slitting to a converter can result in less initial cost, you also get the security of working with a converter that can produce consistent rolls. If you're considering purchasing a slitting machine, some reputable companies are Catbridge for larger roll rewind slitting, Sevenini for log slitting, and Converting Equipment International for small roll slitting in multiple lanes. Finding a converter with roll slitting capability depends on your specific needs. Companies like Strouse offer slitting services for various materials, with slitting tolerances depending on the machine used and the material being slit. It's essential to consult with converters to make sure their capabilities align with your project requirements. Buying a roll slitting machine may be a hefty investment that may or may not match your project goals. To learn more about slitting, visit our Learning Center or contact us directly. Thanks for watching.